How to enter bills in QuickBooks. My name is Matt Holtquist with the QuickBooks University. Stick around to the end to discover the number one most important step you need to take in entering bills in QuickBooks. Welcome to How to Enter Bills in QuickBooks Desktop 2022, as well as the number one tip that you need to remember when you're entering bills in QuickBooks. All right, so let's get to it. You can see here I've got the home screen of QuickBooks Desktop up on my screen here and in the video. So first of all, we need to understand the why. Why do we need to enter bills in QuickBooks? And there's really a couple of reasons. The first reason is it helps you track your bills. Okay, so you're going to get bills from all over the place as your business starts growing, and you need a way to track them so that you know what to pay and when. Entering bills in QuickBooks will help you do that. Now, the second reason that it's important to enter bills in QuickBooks is because it helps keep your expenses in the right time periods. Okay, and I'll show you what I mean by that here in just a second. But when you don't enter bills in QuickBooks and you just enter the check payments as you pay bills, you could get your expenses in the wrong months, and it could throw off your profit and loss, which could cause you to make wrong decisions in your business. Okay, and that could prove disastrous. Okay, so let's get started here. Now, we're on the home screen here, and there's two areas where you can enter bills. You can see it here on the flow chart. It's pretty straightforward. It just says enter bills. You can click this and go straight to the enter bills screen. You can also go up here and go down to vendors, enter bills, and you get to the same spot. Okay, so I'm going to click here, and you'll see here this is a form. QuickBooks uses forms, and it's pretty straightforward. First of all, what you're going to do is you're going to enter your vendor. All right, so we're going to say this is Bayshore Water. Let's say that we got a bill from them. It could be in the mail, it could be by email, whatever the case may be. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to enter the date. This is the date of the bill. QuickBooks will default to today's date, but you want to make sure that you enter the date of the bill. Okay, so let's say 11/30/2023. All right, now the reference number. The reference number is the bill number. Most bills or invoices from your vendors are going to come with a bill number or an invoice number. You want to make sure that you enter this here. So let's say that this is 43321, and then you're going to put in the amount due, $23.48, and then you're going to put in the due date. Okay, so terms over here, this defaults to net 30 terms, which means it's due in 30 days. If you have different terms for a vendor, you can change this to due on receipt, net 15, 110, net 30, or you can add your own. We're going to keep this at net 30, and so it will automatically tell you the due date is 12/30/2023. Now, of course, if you have a different date that it's due, you can change that. So let's say this is due the 28th instead. We'll change that to the 28th. Now, the final thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you put in the correct expense account. So this is Bayshore Water, so this is probably going to be utilities and water. And so that correctly classifies it in your accounting system. And then finally, you can enter a memo. You can also put it to a customer and job and bill it, and you can put it to a class if you're class tracking. Hope you're enjoying the video. I put out videos like this at least once a week on my channel, so be sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to be notified every time I publish a new video. Also, head over to the QuickBooks University at qbuniversity.org when you're ready to take your learning to the next level. Now back to the video. Welcome back to the video on how to enter bills in QuickBooks 2022. Now I want to tell you the number one tip in entering bills in QuickBooks Desktop. All right? I see this messed up so much with client accounts and with people I help through the QuickBooks University, and it can really cause chaos in your books. All right? Now, you'd never guess this, but the most important thing to enter on the bill screen is this reference number. All right? This is the invoice number or the bill number that the vendor has on their bill. This is so important because QuickBooks tracks this number. So, for example, let's say that we save this bill as 43321, and I save a new, and I go to enter another bill for Bayshore Water, and I say 43321, and I hit tab, and I type in an amount, $23.99, utilities, hit tab, and hit save and close. Okay, Let me move this over to the other screen. You can see here there's a problem. Another bill already has number 43321. You can keep the number on the bill, but that may cause you to confuse this bill with the other later on, right? So what this is doing is warning you that you have already entered a bill with bill number 43321. A lot of times vendors will send duplicate bills. You may get one the next day after you got the first one. And if you go in and enter that, you may end up paying it twice. And this can cause double expenses, double problems, and of course you're spending cash you don't need to spend. So this is the number one thing that you need to remember when you are entering bills in QuickBooks, and that is to enter the reference number. Any questions, any comments, please feel free to leave those below. Also, as I said before, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the little bell. That will notify you every time that I publish a new video, a new training video, and also like the video. Thanks so much. We'll talk to you soon.